Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us. Yesterday, thank God I told you all to book your profits, because when I told you to book profits, okay, probably you all have listened to me, because after that we saw a huge fall on the chart of gold. Those who have listened to me, hopefully you made good profit. But right now we can see that market is standing at 1839. Okay, if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you all have taken buy position and right now you are also in profit. Okay, but if we try to understand the market emotion here, or if you just try to understand the body language of the chart here, then we can see that overall the market seems to be very bearish. Because if we just try to analyze the trend of the market here, then we can see that overall this looks like a seller's market. Sellers are dominating this market. We had a very strong support at the weekly chart. As a result, market is trying to bounce from this particular level here. Okay, and we have derived this level from a weekly chart, not only the 50 moving average but also the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So market is trying to bounce from here, but we cannot deny the fact that overall sellers are dominating this market. So as a result, we cannot hope for a trend reversal now. If you have a buy position, be on the buy position. But if you're already happy with your profit, then you can also book your profit, or at least I will request you to book half of your profits. Yes, at least book half of your profits, because the market really seems to be in selling mood right now. Okay, so and in case market breaks this level and starts going down, then it would be better to book your loss as well. Okay, if you because things are not very good with the chart of gold as of now, and especially those who have been trading recently, those whose account balance is below $500. Yes, those whose account balance is below $500, please avoid the gold market right now, because we do not have very strong or prominent levels right now. See, I am also a trader. I also know the pain of losing money. Okay, so it's your responsibility to protect your hard-earned money. So please protect your capital right now. This is not the ideal moment to trade. Okay, if your balance is not above 100 or $500. If your balance is at 100, 500, 200, please avoid the gold market right now. Okay, so as we have already discussed previously that 1834, 1834, 35, 36, this is a very strong support level. So as per our expectation, market is going up. Okay, but considering the present trend of the market here, there is a possibility that market will face selling pressure again. So where market can face selling pressure? Around 1850. Okay, around 1850 market can face selling pressure, and this is our resistance 1. And in case the present buying continues in the market and market starts going up from here, okay, then the next selling pressure would be around 1872. So, or in simple words, around these two levels you can expect the market to reverse. And if you see that market is reversing, if you observe that there is a price rejection from above, sellers are present, you can take a sell position. But observation is extremely important everywhere. And in case market starts falling and breaks this level of, let's say, 1830. Okay, if market breaks the level of 1830 and starts falling, please do not take sell position, because as I've already said that we do not have a clear picture right now regarding this particular level. See, a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. You don't need to trade every time. Okay, be a trader, not a gambler. So if market breaks this level, avoid. Okay, avoid around 1821 again. Okay, listen to me carefully. Around 1821 again, we can expect some kind of bounce. May not be trend reversal, but you can expect a bounce of at least 40 to 50 pips. If you see the market is trying to bounce, if you see market is taking support or forming hammer kind of a pattern, you can take a buy position again around 1821. But if market breaks 1830, okay, it is very risky. If you have considerable experience in the market, then you can take a sell position. But otherwise, I'll just recommend you, suggest you that avoid, especially beginners and new traders. Okay, and we all know that the strong support zone of gold is around 1790, 1780. So that level is still very present. But as of now, today, I think that these are the important levels. So whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. After all, protection of capital is extremely important. At any given point of time, you should not be risking more than 5% of your capital. Okay. Again, I'm saying overall the market looks bearish, so you can get selling opportunity around 1850. If market breaks 1850 and starts flying, okay, then around 1870, 72, you can face some selling pressure again. If you have a buy position right now, you can book half of your profit. If you're happy with the profit right now, you can book your full profit. But the trend is very much towards the downside, so please be careful and follow proper risk management. And if market breaks this support level and starts falling around 1820, we can expect some buying again, 1820, 1821. If market bounces, if you see proper bounce, then you can expect 40, 50 pips. Okay. Let's see how the market reacts. Okay, and see, any analysis may fail, my analysis may fail also, so please be careful, follow proper risk management. Okay, bye bye, take care. Got that.